Hi everybody, my name's Matt Crunden. I'm training and BIM Manager for Legrand UK Ireland. I'm here today to talk a little bit about PEP files. PEP is a product environmental profile, which is an environmental assessment for the life cycle of a product. We, like many other organisations, have net zero ambitions, and we utilise short-term roadmaps to achieve our goals. We're currently on our 5th CSR roadmap, and one of the 4 pillars is to reduce our carbon footprint. PEPs are a part of this ambition. Our sustainability journey is a long-term ambition covering many factors. If we generalise, we can loosely break it down into 3 parts: energy reduction projects, corporate engagement and certification. Energy reduction projects would be things like installing PV arrays on our factories, for example, and looking at ways to improve heating and cooling in our workplaces. Corporate engagement could look like installing EV chargers and electrifying our fleet. Certification includes things like EcoVadis. We have platinum status with EcoVadis, which means that we have robust environmental systems in place across the entire Legrand Group. Certification also covers the use of renewable energy and being certified for it, and our PEP programme dovetails directly into this journey. So there's a little bit of information about PEPs, product environmental profiles. Thank you for listening.